Hi, welcome to another MacCaption tutorial from CPC. I'm Dan and I'll be showing you how to use an SCC file with Final Cut Pro 7 to add closed captions to DV video over FireWire. Let's get started. Got a little demo project here. Captions are already timestamped to the video, as you will see.
Screen. So my captions appear at the right.
Alright, you can see they all have time codes. And you'll see also that the time codes start at 1 hour, which actually we're going to have to adjust this so that all the time codes are starting from 0 hours. Final Cut Pro actually takes the beginning of the sequence and thinks of it as the 0 point for the SCC file. So if you made an SCC file from this, the captions wouldn't start for an entire hour. So I need to ripple the time code. So I'm going to select all my captions, click Ripple Time Code, and since my first caption starts at 1 hour, I'm going to have the rest of I'm going to readjust them to start at 0 hours. Now you can see the first caption is at 0, the next one's at 14 frames instead of 1 hour and 14 frames, and so on. Now we're ready to export an SCC file. So we go File, Export, Caption Formatted File, DVD file.scc. Even though it says DVD, we'll be able to use it for Final Cut Pro. I'm going to save it and replace the one I got there already. Caption data lowest limit is 0, that's fine. You see we got a caution here, none of the caption time codes are in the current movie. That's because we rippled all the time code back to 0 hours, so it's fine. So I'm going to go into Final Cut Pro where I have this same video file in sequence. It's just a DV sequence with that file in it. We can go File, Print to Video, or Edit to Tape. And both of them have this new menu item in Final Cut Pro 7. It's called Closed Captions, Insert Closed Caption Data from File. You just check that box and then point to the file you want by clicking on that folder. And here's my file, but you'll see it's grayed out. I actually need to choose Sonara's closed caption files to be able to select it. Now I click Choose and hit OK, and it will print a video as normal. But it won't actually have closed captions on the computer screen, because to see the closed captions you'll have to actually monitor them after your deck into a normal television. So what if you have bars and tone though? Here's another sequence, same video file, but it starts at 59 minutes instead of 1 hour, but the program still starts at an hour. I have bars, tone, and a slate and all that good stuff, but if I have an SCC file that I just made for the other sequence and I used it for this, the captions would start over the bars and tone. To get them to start in the right place, we have to ripple the time code again. But this time, we need to actually start from the first caption that has actual characters in it, text or words. In this case, it's the second caption block right here with music notes in it. It says it starts at 14 frames. Well, to actually have it start at 1 hour in my current sequence, I need it to start at 1 minute and 14 frames. So I need to select all the captions from the end all the way up to everything except the first one. Now we go time code, ripple time code, and type in the correct 1 minute and 14 frames. Hit apply, and you'll see that everything after the first caption, which still starts at 0 hours, everything else has been rippled 1 minute further. So now if I export an SCC, I can bring it into this sequence and the captions will actually start at the correct time. Right here where the music notes are supposed to be. And that's about it. If you were going out to Beta SP or Digibeta, you would need to use our DTV workflow, which we covered in another tutorial. Thank you. Have a nice day.